Hello, kids. Let's play a fun English quiz.
Today, we will complete a sentence using one of the two given words. The dog is very friendly or angry? The correct answer is friendly. The apple is sweet or salty? The correct answer is sweet. The car is very fast or slow? The correct answer is fast. The baby is happy or sad? The correct answer is happy. The box is too heavy or light? The correct answer is heavy. The sun is hot or cold? The correct answer is hot. The turtle is very slow or fast? The correct answer is slow. The night is bright or dark? The correct answer is dark. The elephant is big or small? The correct answer is big. The ice is cold or hot? The correct answer is cold. The rabbit is very fast or slow? The correct answer is fast. The water is clean or dirty? The correct answer is clean. The boy feels tired or excited? The correct answer is tired. The door is open or closed? The correct answer is open. The flower is beautiful or ugly? The correct answer is beautiful. The girl is very kind or mean? The correct answer is kind. The mountain is high or low? The correct answer is high. The room is quiet or noisy? The correct answer is quiet. The cat is sleepy or angry? The correct answer is sleepy. The coffee is so hot or cold? The correct answer is hot. The sky is blue or green? correct answer is blue.
Good job. Thanks for playing. Like and subscribe. See you next time.